welcome back to my channel. So today we are going for a trip, a girls trip. This is going to be a picnic and I'm going to be making this attire. So it is a themed picnic. You have to be wearing a color, you have to choose a color, and I'm making this at the last moment. It is currently 4 p.m. and I have to be done at least by 6 because I have to go for my nails after. Guys, I've been busy, that's why I'm making this at the last moment. I didn't want to go and buy a cloth, yet I had material in my wardrobe, so let's do it. Hope you're doing well. So last time I went to town and I showed you this material that I'm working with right now. But guys, who doesn't like my work here? Like, who? Honestly. So I'm making this outfit. I'm done with the shirt and I'm on the pants, but look at that, guys. Yeah, look at this. I love it. So I'm actually finishing up this. I have to go to an Palor. So this is the outfit that I'm going to wear tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going for a trip, a sponsored trip. How amazing is that, guys? So I decided to make myself an outfit to be a little bit because it has a theme and I didn't want to look like anyone else. So I'm trying to make an outfit that I feel like I'll be comfortable in and classy. Okay, you're some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. So this is what I did for my nails. So this is what I did for my nails. I'm going to go back tomorrow, Monday, and I make them, like I paint them because it was too late and I was very tired. And yeah, so I decided to just do this, at least for them not to look bad. For our feet, I just did black, plain black. Sorry about that light, it's not okay, but yeah, I did black. I'm done with ironing. This is going to be my outfit. Of course, you will see it later. So I don't want to be late. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. Yeah, I thought I would record, but I don't really have time. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. So this is my look, the one that I'm going for. Just simple, late, classy, and it's giving glow. So I'm leaving right now. See you on that trip. So we are in Reza. This is Reza. We are in Raza. We are waiting for some people and other people are doing makeup. So we are heading to the final destination, and forever the vlog we are going to be enjoying it to the fullest. See you. You're some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Hey guys, so we've just reached and we've just finished setting out our table. You're going to sit in the mint and everyone is ready. But guys, this place looks so nice. It looks so perfect. So we're going to be seeing the activities that we're going to be doing in our mint, and I hope you enjoy it. So we have another tour that is coming up. I'm going to be telling you about it in my coming videos, so just stay tuned.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Shakie. No, you can speak. Anybody can interrupt around behind? That next agenda. Trouble with African
Hi, having fun. So she's probably yeah. So we took a tour, and after we wanted to camp at the side of the water and the pool. There is a lake actually here, and there is a pool, a big swimming pool, and a nice one. There is grass. The greenery around here is massive. So we decided to go. We were vibing on Alien Skinny's songs, and yeah, it was very good. It was very okay. Those are the girls coming. So we had already set up the table. At this point, I didn't see it yet, but they had already set the table for our picnic, and we're going to just swim, we're going to play cards, we're going to dance, we're going to eat and have all the fun that we had to have.
Hey! Hey!
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of